Okay, so I want to show you how to create a mini racing car model. So first you can search for blueprint mini racing car. So you can find which design that you want to use for exercise. So I'm using this design. So you can first go to space claim. So you can create the model. So maybe you can start the box by define rectangle from center, click, and then click the center and define the box. So as we know that we limit the design for 150 mm. So let's say this time we reduce it 145 and then go tab. So this one is 95. Okay, in terms of height, we go for 70. This is example. Okay, so this is the maximum bounding box for your product. So the next step is you can copy the file, this photo. So you can right click, copy image, and then paste on the top of the box. Okay, so by using center scroll, center roller, and also shift roller to pan, so you can navigate. Also, you can use uh, control and center roller to zoom. Okay, so you can center the body by clicking on the compass. Okay, this one. So Z making. Okay, click this one. You can resize. So this is the top face. So basically you can scale at any size you want to fit the area. Okay. So and also make it a bit wider so that you can put more components inside. Okay, so this is the top view. Now we want to transfer the sketch to the side view. Okay, so what you have to do is Control C and Control V. Sorry, not that one. Okay, so what you have to do is to click and then hold move, and then shift key, hold shift key and red arrow. Sorry, click red arrow and shift key. Again, sorry, control. Okay, control and shift key to create a duplicate. Okay, control Z, control green to the right. Then you can rotate this second image to 90 degree. Click the angle 100. Let's see, 90 degree. Enter. So next, you have to move this image up to the surface. Okay. So then you can realign the front view. So make sure the bottom is flat to the ground, so that we can do shell later. Okay, so it should be look like this. Okay, so now we can actually rescale the bounding box. So by using pull, so you can use center roller, use scroll to choose the surface behind. So click this one and then click down. So for example, this one, our car height is around 38. 38. Enter. Okay, so this is the height of the car. Okay, so again, you can move this file, move up to the surface. Okay, so you can reduce this box. You can either use move or pull, then move exactly to the line. Okay, so now we can begin sketching. So what we should do is first to understand the design. Understand the design. So which design is for which area. So this is some spoiler here. So spoiler at the back. Okay. So when you are ready, then you can start do sketching. Okay. So for sketching, you can use this line or spline. So I want to start with line. So shift, control, and center roller to zoom. So I'm choosing this surface. So by default, your cursor will be snap to the grid. So you can turn off the snap to the grid option. So click this line and make sure it is 90 degree. Okay, one thing. You can before that, we can choose to design only half of the body, so that you can make the process much easier. So click pull and then go to the half body. You can control the size. So we make it at 32 mm. So now you can begin tracing. So roughly, okay, so just go for half body. Okay, so next, you can choose this one to be perpendicular to the surface. So next, we choose the body. So let's sketch the body first. Okay, so now we go to spline, Control Z. Okay, escape. So then continue with straight lines. some small box there. Try to zoom. Okay. Next line. Sorry, straight lines. Okay. Continue with splines. So to move, shift and center roller. Okay, escape. So we continue with new spline. Control Z, put more control point. Okay, so we can continue tracing some important surface, and then we can proceed to the next process.